Hi you guys, this is Antoinette coming to you from Creations PS91. I am coming to you guys today just to pop my head in a little bit to let you guys know our next adventure on the Annie's Hook and Needle Kit Club. So let me get it for you guys. Here it is right here. Excuse me. It is a shawl. I'm sorry. It is a scarf. It is called the Striping Scarlet. And this is what we are going to be talking about. Once I work this beautiful thing up, you guys, we are going to talk about it. Because I've already looked at the pattern and I've already seen some things. So we're going to be talking about it. Okay, you guys, I hope you're having a beautiful Sunday. And I will see you guys on the next video. And remember, when you're working with your hands, you always have peace within your heart. I'll see you guys on the next video. Bye.